3-bedroom flat, Padma Colony, Nallakunta, northeast corner, nearby main road. Puja room, kitchen with balcony, bedroom, చిన్న bedroom అన్న. Master bedroom with dressing room and bathroom. Puja room, common washroom. Another bedroom with balcony, good ventilation, complete wardrobe, 3 bathrooms, 3 washroom. Road facing and nearby main road, RTC cross road to Vidyanagar main road.